Yo, what's up, pussies? So Devin is going to learn how to drive manual. We're at off-lease only today, and it's a manual M2. Gonna give it a shot, Devin?
Yep, I'm gonna kill this shit.
I'm gonna try my best to teach you.
Yeah, let's do it.
So this thing has carbon fiber packages all over, and let's get a cold start. All right, do the neutral wiggle. Make sure it's a neutral.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's mandatory. It's
Oh,
neutral. Shit. Clutch down.
This is the clutch?
Yep. Cold start it.
Do I hold it? Do I hold the clutch down, or how do I?
Yeah, hold the clutch down and start it. Let's go.
Do I put my foot off the clutch?
Foot down on the clutch. You got this?
No, I'm trying to.
Leave it down. Start it.
All right.
Oh. All right, Devin. So to get rolling, you're gonna put down that handbrake. Keep your foot on the brake.
Handbrake? What do you say?
There you go. And then clutch in.
I'm gonna...
And then put it in first. Keep the clutch all the way down. Car's in first. Now let's slowly release the clutch and try to roll out.
Just let it put it off.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god.
Slow.
I'm so
slow for a
scared.
beginner. Just slow.
This? What is it
There
gonna
you
do?
go.
What is... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, I had to give him some instruction as to how to roll out. He got it. It was a little rough, but not bad, not bad.
Now what do I do when I stop?
All right, so to stop, you put clutch in, and then you go to neutral. Clutch all the way in.
Neutral?
No, clutch all the way in, neutral. There you go.
Oh, big weight.
Now you can release the clutch.
Okay.
All right, Devin, pull up, clutch in, first gear. Slowly release it.
Is it in first gear?
Yeah, release the brake and slowly release the clutch. Neutral, 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 neutral. Put it in neutral. Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, Devin, so I'm gonna help you out with shifting until you get it down. So we're gonna downshift. Hopefully this thing has auto rev match, but I don't think it does, but we're just gonna send it. So clutch in,
Okay.
release.
Okay.
Oh, it has auto rev match.
Oh, cool. Okay, cool.
Alrighty, boys, so to stop at the traffic light, we're gonna do clutch in.
Clutch in.
We're gonna put it to neutral.
Neutral, okay.
And just brake. There you go.
And then brake, okay.
All right, Devin. What I teach you? There you go. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You're telling me. Devin loves to ride the clutch right now, and I'm telling him not to. He loves to keep his foot on there, so never keep it on there when it doesn't have to be on there. So we have to go over that. That's a big thing that people struggle with when they're learning manual because they don't understand that. That's very important not to do. All right, so let's see if you can do a third to fourth shift.
Oh my God.
All right, clutch in.
Clutch in.
Go down to fourth.
Go to fourth.
Yep. Release the clutch. Oh, look at you, Devin. Oh. Devin, you don't keep your hand on there, by the way. That causes a lot of premature wear. But one thing that I'm realizing while shifting gears for Devin is that this feels way more solid than the MT82. So honestly, Devin has done a great job so far driving manual. He actually surprised me and did a couple pulls. I don't know if off-lease only is supposed to know that, but he did a pretty good job. Honestly, this car is great, and you can slam gears without worrying about the MT82. Devin, I put you on.